Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Sudarshan, and we are back with our Hall of Fame. And today I have with us Chandrakant Soni, who heads the fundraising at Motilal Oswal Private Equity. And Chandrakant is a fitness enthusiast, is an avid runner, and he loves traveling and is also a foodie. So, hi, Chandrakant. How are you doing?
Hey, good doctor, great. Thank you very much for having me.
Great. Thank you so much for taking up your time and being with us on this show. And it's been a long time. This was anyways pending, and we spoke about this probably after 45 days of lockdown. But now we're
Yeah,
doing it almost about 110 days or so. So now I think we have more stories from you.
yeah. Sure.
So, how have you been working out before the lockdown? What was the kind of fitness journey before the lockdown?
All right. So, doctor, I think right from beginning, right from my early
Yeah,
days, I
yeah,
was influenced with the fitness regime from my dad, my uncle. So I was right from beginning. I was into that mindset.
right.
During early age of my career, I mean, obviously the more focus was on work than on the fitness. But over the next 3, 4, 5 years, I realized that I need to go get back to the fitness regime, and then I started again back into the fitness kind of training. Um, Prior to joining Joints in Motion, which I did 3, 4 years, 3 years back, I guess I was I had joined a gym also. Uh, uh, I mean, joining gym was a good decision in the sense that okay, I was at least there, but I never used to look forward to going there. It wasn't like something which used to give me a kick in the morning that okay, let's
Yeah,
go there and do something. But I think joining Joints in Motion was one because I made a lot of friends here. It's like outdoor kind of exercise, various kind of things which Joints in Motion used to do, which was very very exciting, which completely changed my mindset in terms of how one should look at the fitness. It was like holistic, entire uh, holistic approach to the entire fitness, right from your all body parts,
yeah.
even including yoga and all. So I mean that was completely game changer for me. So last three years has been great. So I mean, in nutshell, I have been always fitness freak, but I think getting attached to joints in motion was really a game changer for me.
So, end of March, it was announced that we will be going through a lockdown. And so,
Yeah.
what went through your mind now that you were having this journey in the last 3 years on a consistent basis? What went through your mind when this lockdown was announced? How did you feel that what? How will you take care of your fitness at that point of time?
Oh, that was quite a, I mean, I would say strain on my mind. I was just wondering what would I do. And the very first Sunday, I looked at some friend of mine, in house. He ran for 5 kilometer. I picked up from there, and I felt like let me do that myself, and I did it. But I mean, running in home for 5 kilometer, I mean, you have to be just on the feet for say half an hour or so, and you are done. But that's not something which I was looking forward to. I was looking forward to something else where I am still able to continue with the kind of regime which I was following prior to the lockdown. And I think there, again, Joints and Motion came forward with the solution of online training. And I think it's almost 100 odd days,
Yeah,
barring 2 days,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Barring those 2 days, which I think 2 days back, and once I think sometime back, barring those 2 days which I missed, I did not miss a single session of Joints and Motion. So all 6 days in a week, uh, out of these 100 days, you can just minus 2 days. 98 days I've been like working out.
And I
So
think
that
that has really paid off because
yeah,
recently we had a online competition wherein we were doing a maximum amount of burpees in 1 minute, and I think Chandrakant did about 28 burpees in 1 minute, and
27.
27, and I
Yeah.
think that was the highest number of burpees anyone did in all the batches, which we checked actually. So that's commendable, and I'm sure you are reaping the fruits. So great, congratulations on that. So that itself speaks and comes gets me to the next question, which is, how did it impact your results in terms of physical, mental, as well as emotional front when it in the last 100 days? How did this online training impact in these
Sure.
aspects?
So, doctor, prior to this online thing, I mean, corporate life is quite busy. A lot of traveling, a lot of going
Yes.
around and stuff. I used to always make a point that at least Saturday and Sunday is mine where I would be definitely working out. Out of
Yes.
Monday to Friday, I used to make it a point to at least do it for 2 to 3 days.
Yes.
Even when
Yes.
I used to travel, also I used to go to the gym of the hotel. I used to stay and I used to workouts.
Yeah.
But still, I would not be able to do it for say 6 days in a week, which I am able to do today because
Yeah.
at the comfort of my home, I am working out 6 days in a week,
Yeah.
which which never had happened in my life prior to this 100 days. So that's
Great.
that's completely game changer. Uh, in terms of health wise, I feel like I am probably in my youngest age today. That fit. I used to weigh almost 72 kg, right? Because a lot of eating out, a lot of socializing, and those kind of stuff that has been completely away. Eating home food and 6 days workout
Yeah.
has led to the best of my health. I am
Perfect.
weighing 65 kg today. I lost
Super.
almost 7 kg and consistently I'm maintaining that, right?
Super.
So that has that's on the health front. I mean, mentally I'm feeling completely charged up. And when you're like doing good mentally and physically, obviously emotionally, you're all joyful.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
I'm finding absolutely fine.
So that's great. I mean,
Yeah.
it's clearly showing up. I think people like you who are into a lot of traveling, and actually you have, because this is one of the problem that even I was facing with most of my clients who really had this feeling that they wanted to do something completely. They were completely inclined to the fitness, but their problem was they are actually traveling and they're not able to devote this time. And I think really this looks like a solution, because even if you are in your hotel wherever you're traveling, because today we have clients from US, we have clients from Dubai, and we have clients from different parts of India also who are actually doing training in these times, and they're trying to adjust their time slots also just to ensure that they are working out in these batches. So I think this is really a boon for you all who are into a lot of traveling. So that's really great. Yeah.
Absolutely. I think so long as I'm traveling within country, this makes a lot of sense. But if I'm
Yeah.
traveling outside country, that
Yeah.
would create some issue because of the
Yeah.
time lag.
Yes. Yes.
But
Right.
I think still this option, the online
Yes.
option, if it is available to someone, is
Yes.
fantastic thing.
Yes.
I'll
Yes.
just give you doctor a couple of things like for past 1 week I started going to office
Yeah.
to run 2 3 batches. I used to do training on 7 to 8 batch.
Yeah.
I moved it a little early, so 6 to 7 batch is always there for me. So
Perfect.
when I used to go out offline kind of training, if I
Yeah.
miss that, I miss that.
Yeah.
I can't do much about it. But this
True.
online thing is like awesome. I'm really very happy with that.
Great. So, what is the difference between online and offline training? If I have to ask you, as a fitness enthusiast or as a service provider, what would you say?
So, doctor, I think offline or going the I would say al fresco workout is really very exciting because you're in the fresh air. You're with the a lot of people who are there. You want to socialize also post the workout, pre workout, and during the workout, which is missing actually in online. But
Absolutely.
I think online gives a lot of other benefits that it saves time. You
Yeah.
are doing workout in the comfort of your home, and thanks to online, I'm able to do it 6 days in a week.
Yeah. That's true.
Would
That's
not
true.
be possible in
Definitely.
offline. Offline,
Definitely.
time feel like it's raining outside, let me skip it, or
Yeah.
something
Yeah.
is happening, let's not go. But here, like
Absolutely.
pull yourself out of the bed, and you still go ahead and do that.
Yeah.
So I think the consistency is pretty high in case of online, which would
Great.
not be in offline for sure.
Yeah, as long as you're committed, surely the consistency will only be more and more better. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's true. So,
yeah.
as you may be knowing, Chandrakant, that this show has been watched by more than 5,000 people who are following us on Facebook,
All
and we
right.
also have a My Wellness group which has more than 4,000 participants who are new to this fitness journey and who are looking to do something better about their fitness. So, what is your message to these people who are watching this show?
Oh, sure. So, doctor, I think I belong to the investment world where we look at the investing, right? People do
Yeah,
investments for betterment of their life. They want to have better
absolutely.
lifestyle and stuff. I think the biggest investment one can do is into the health. This COVID-19 has taught one thing that one can really fight the challenge of the life, by having the best of the health, and it can't be done. It's a systematic approach. You can't just start training yourself when the problem is right in front of you. You have to train for long periods so that when problem arise, you are able to fight it well. So I believe I think one should really look at the investing into the health. Taking up some sort of fitness regime is very important. I believe from here on, most of the people would definitely look at the right eating habits, taking up some sort of fitness thing very seriously.
Yeah. Also
That
realizing the importance of immunity, because at end of the day, yeah, if you're fit, if you're good to do with, your immunity is at a much higher level. So
yeah,
it's not just about getting onto the fitness extremes, but also ensuring that your immunity is good so that you can bypass these problems like COVID or any other infection or a viral pandemic, whichever comes across. If you have a good immunity, it will definitely help.
I don't know, doctor. I think in our group, I think you train
Yeah.
thousands of people.
Yeah.
Does anyone
No.
get in? Huh?
We have no, I have not heard, or no one has informed me about any positive case till date. So,
That
but
shows that
yes,
the
yes,
body
absolutely,
immunity level is so high that nothing is
absolutely,
catching there.
absolutely. So that's the money man who says that health is the biggest investment. I think coming from him is a biggest thing that you can actually listen to and ensure where do you need to put your effort. Thank you so much, Chandrakant, for joining
Yeah,
us and spending your time with us and sharing your views. Thank you so much. It was really fruitful, and I'm sure the audience will understand this. The participants will follow this, and we will make the most of it to ensure we have a fabulous fitness journey. So this is Dr. Sudarshan Singh signing off for now, but yes, we will come up with one more fitness achiever in our Hall of Fame who will talk about his journey and explain you the importance of fitness. Thank you. Thank you so
thank
much.
you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.